Floating, held up by water, air, etc. Orb, an object shaped like a sphere. Installation, an art exhibit, typically one made within a gallery. Ingredient, any of the foods or substances used to make a dish or product. Sustainability, the ability to continue something without using up natural resources. Threat, a person or thing that could cause harm or danger. Dine from the water of Norway's floating restaurant. The location of a restaurant is, for some people, just as important as the food. Some people like beautiful country views, while others might prefer to dine by the water. But what about dining from the water? Welcome to Iris, a restaurant found inside a floating orb in the middle of in Norway. The orb, known as the salmon eye because of its shape, is an art installation that opened in 2022, but the restaurant didn't open until June 2023. The only way to get there is by boat from the town of Rosendal, and Iris will send an electric boat to pick you up at the time of your booking. If you're looking for a quick meal, this isn't the place to go. According to the restaurant's website, the full dining experience takes about 6 hours, and within an 18-course menu, it's easy to understand why. The menu changes according to the seasons, with a strong focus on fish, seafood, and other ingredients from local areas. Sustainability is at the heart of head chef Annika Madsen's food. According to the website, the menu at Iris reads like a story about the threats to the global food system. The goal is to inspire people to think about what can be done to improve it. The cost for a meal at Iris starts at about $315 per person, and the restaurant can have up to 24 diners at the same time.